Yo, abusian for me chacha obi bia oba a platform isui. Me din de Ohemaa Jackie. Nyame shira wo se wanya bre na waba eye show yi eso. Me pa cho oba so ana obomoden na wa share video no na odofo bi so ensa etimi akabi. Say I am very pissed up, but then I want to control myself. The reason why I want to control myself is sometimes, people think, say, we are celebrity, we are public figure. It's no be able to me as step on your name. Some people will just step on your name and be using it for unscrupulous things. Just say, Omobe yusu edia yesemi. Omon kwasi asem anase omon sem fobi. And oye nyame juma, people think say you are so stupid enough say you will be afraid of people, and so obia sorry ana opese wadi wanim etwi form ana say opese wadi wanim nyama nyankopon de ama wono or step on it. And I am here to address an issue. I'm very, very tired, which I've even lost my voice, that I should be sleeping by now. But adia ba kwa ayana ayametan ewo onipa dasani ho ne se onipa beyi ne yam aye ade ediama obi na onipa no entimi anyi na ye anda nase ma nemum no wo pese wo fa kwati kwan bi so edi nipa natem say no anase wode ka sabi emfre ni masem bi etiefo mu ntie bibi me medical ka se me nsuro obi a se me nyi miss gogo na wo hweme ne ase ya me obi a me buade pa, because me papa ne me ma me kire made ba ko bi se wo ye panimu a na se wo be kam a e ma me nkasa ntia wo ena me bufu bia na kama Mohammed afreme Ohemaa na Franklin afreme Sikaba afreme Ohemaa stop it ehun hia let it go na my yedin na ade no memme na me wu na me su then I just need to shut my mouth up all in the name of say where your gospel artist where you celebrate. Listen, say me man to gospel bia ma wo a wo hwe me umma me scan koto aduane ni o se na me ka se me jai gospel nyum to me nto nyum bia mu a wo a wo ti Facebook a onto aduane ma me ni o ana wo a se bi mpredua sa wo hwe me video no won kan kire me se Ohemaa ade a chente no me ma won suo se je na kokodi e bia nkrofo a eben me no ena sebi me ho kire me ana bibi koso a they will come to my aid. So if I have been quiet for a long time doesn't mean say I'm afraid of people. Me ya bante mani akola azuka to say me ya bante mani akola ya tete me ya wo mi wo konfo anoche ya wo mi wo konfo anoche me na nane achi ase hini kwaku ani abusua me firi mu no wo bie ni won ma nani emre wo mu wo bie ni won ma nani emre babia me furu mada no eni babia me firi ba no obi ni won nani emre me fiti me nkura abere mu na me di mani adi anyi se wo ni papa be kama to wo de wo boa se wo nipa wo be kama to wo de lalai enu ntina maye ma adwen se me se wo se makan ana se me ni wadi agoroda na se wo ba abonte be kan se me na se me be pa wa chewa. It doesn't mean say I am afraid of you, and it doesn't mean say me ya pam no, and it doesn't mean say me ntimi nkasa minim kasa pa ya kan obi anano ate awo ye mpaninsam awo nim mpaninsam ka me ye number 1. It is a winning me yasam. Nasa one seven on him no. See a cassia me and tenacity cassa. Minyan sakasa me casano. One radio a bit try a honey a such walk or two. And Nutina social media grown me bediano. We a penimuna say what come here. Na me tie me mamma some tina me mamba reply. Doesn't mean I'm afraid of you. No, means slowly pebia. Me show me a dirty, me a stubborn, me a naughty, me a foolish girl. I love you be a meeting Yakobi. But the yana me the mania to a jumana me se me yana so. But as a medi gospel yama sebi my hey and crofward me se kai be jananka. And Ohemaa Jackie every time Ohemaa Jackie tie me nyo obi akwara o. Enyo obi nuane me nuane mu guminche wa ha. Enyo obi ba ne me. Se social media na me ne wa ba be di agora na nkyere so wabusuani ne me. Ebia ye wure fia wo mabusua kra ya papa sen o ebia mabusua kra mu emu ye sen o enti nenya because of social media enti obi asode no pese wodi watam obi asode no pese wodi watam just for say we a public figure enti no wo ba be ye just like that wo ba video asia won tie video na wo kan no na wo fa ne phone na no odidi watam no trotro comment phone just to provoke you. What is all this about? At the social media, no be my account. Say, Moody Betty didn't cross for mountain one, and I'm a cast of your palm. Minimum cross a cassa rough. Me assemble who I can't tell who do to about them. Assemble who do want me see for tone, and the assemble me catch who do to about them. But then I just respect people. And for the sake of my mom, and for the sake of my sister, and for the sake of community, there are certain things I don't want to even talk about it. By this hard time was say obi any video na wa basia na wo di nipa krona time without even getting to understand the video na nipa ne ye no the concept and what the person is talking about. You just come on the video, you just write nonsense and garbage and you just go just like that. Listen, this thing has to stop. If you dare insult me, I'm gonna insult you mercilessly because me nipa me nyaboa. Ain't this is just by the way. Ebusianfo Kama Mohammed the nation's blogger. Say Indian phobia boy run account ni mu ahake na account no. I think say nation blogger one no. It has been hacked by some Arabics. Arab phobia omo boy nation blogger ni account ni mu na omo hake account no. But fair enough say I think I don't know the motive behind Omohake Nations blogger account, and I don't know the reason why they hacked the account. But then no, those people are so naive and so stupid. Say yeah no, hey, we are fraud. I want your fraud and say we are stubborn and we are stubborn and say me page or Ohemaa Jackie say several times I for I try some bad G or Ohemaa Jackie page and a free Nsemsem. But me I know how my account and ne what and they are message my dear back. And I can say wouldn't mo be a young friend akwabi. So Kamal Mohammed, the nation's blogger, Obia boy run account in him. Now Nipano or so a Indian, we don't know who is attached to it. You name the power attached. But listen, if there is any motive around it, then any pakrona or hacky account, or excuse me to say we are Jimmy for because listen, Facebook page one, I don't know what is so extraordinary. And Nipane yentia, what boy run account to Musa, opa so called hacky account, you know. I don't even know. But then no, Nyanko Paya drew me a new page, and the name is Nation Blogger GH1. You be a new page, a Nation Blogger GH1. Iti the Nation family name Nation fans if one na me pacho oko Facebook search na obo Nation Blogger GH1 na what like it to that page page old one I think that it still exists but enya Kamal Mohammed ne operate Arabic sifobi and oma hack account no ena omuwomu ena ome say oma shase posti nyoma trotro kwasiak brofu bi amonte brofu and so on it me pacho if Nation Blogger page ni biema it has been hacked by some Arabics and you know will be a new page that is Nation Blogger GH1 Nation Blogger GH1 into call Facebook search na ubo Nation Blogger GH1 now I like a page you know now also invite your friends to come and like the page said he will continue to entertain you people out there nyami onshira obibia say busianfo enra no me be video bi a man bi adifrode ye maame bi 52,500 euros enra me ba be video bi a e wo Germany Düsseldorf ye maame e friend a course a wo Germany Düsseldorf papa bi edi nana usu wadi frode ya maami wa connect be mama ya maami se ya maami no obema ne kunu aware na ekunu na wode ne bema na aware no soso a emu nsensem bebre abusuafo epse enra me ye video abusuafo ne de asem ne beto manim no me ye video na me frɛ maami na nkasa maami na nkasa ba me platform yi so na obe kire ne nsemu kire etiefo na MC ye video no before say me ba be video no na me nya messenger message from one lady and the lady claims say onim this man ye de ne picture edifrode ye maame akosi say man we na ye de ne picture edifrode ye maame akos this man here we papa we ono na ye de ne picture edifrode ye maame no 54,500 euros. Man way a picture and I use to a fraud ye maame or Germany. Ye ma course 54,500 euros. Now enrano ma many bar so before some baby show no lady be frame or catch them say when him a man way I use to a picture. Eddie the fraud will be and I'm catch a lady ne say and I'm me pacho me baba be a video. Enti mesere wa senka wo be kan kire papa yi nanka me ye video no waba no aba be clarify no because already no his pictures are already circulating which ebusuafo no so omusika akodim so they are doing all their possible best to retrieve all their money that has been defrauded by this man ne picture ewa hey enu nti ebusuafo no so betimi asend their mom adrofo for say me pacho se muhu abrantie bi se ya Moon reporting na moon can't tell you because obi de ne or name a chimpna watching me 54,500 euros. It's along the line no I know me video no and I who say man we cry or you innocent. I had this man here. Video na no me no and you who say man we obi na use a picture. E de yes no or de or they defraud ye mammy na ye mammy a coaching pana 3 years or the agye mammy esike. Enti eno ano me video na maame ne ba so be kasa ye no. I tried my possible best to defend this man here, and I told people watching me that this man is an innocent man who, whereby someone is using his picture to defraud our mother in Germany about some money issues be. And you know my clear man way and not me show so say he is innocent. I don't know the relationship between this man and that Nana Wusu man no. But then no me a video no man way mama and Crawford who said because people called in say omunim man way omunim no na oye noble manner ontimi ni saa nyamana sem no enu nti no me gina me platform so eye enra ena me ka say eye man way a ye use ne picture ase wono no ma course akotwempena wo Germany a waje ma course sika eye 54,500 euros no enye ono wa na nipa wodi saa nyamana sem no eye na wusu adodo na afre no eye Kwame Rasta eye papa we wono mom ena wo share that papa we picture ekoma ye maame no say wo bema ne kunu na one na ware but not knowing na papa we mom ena defraud ye maame ya wagye ye maame esika eye na wusu yi onu nie ne yede kofa ne free Ghana ba Germany a eno so emu nsensem bebrebe ntina wade no menim ba bia kosie before say me ba be program yi enra no ebusuafo ne the evidences ni na mo ni na maame man we ne number sami woni na me frɛ number maame di maame say eye papa ya use ne picture ne telephone number yi me frɛ no all the numbers were not working numbers mako 4 me ma Ghana ye frɛ because MTN ewom you try to call the MTN number which we didn't get the numbers na eno am frɛ ye no eno nie numbers a ye de maame am frɛ ye eno nie I don't just stand up and come and just do a video without not knowing say video na me ba ye no ehun sunsuaso ni ebusuafo me chiri ba odi machi or study law or your lawyer or on the second year in the university. You know, when it comes to me videos and me blogging, you know, she always tell me, say, Jacqueline, before you take a camera, before you go on live, make sure the other side you have an evidence that if the thing even goes to court, me do evidence, you know, about court to defend yourself. And you know, I know laws abiding to this social media blogging, and me know I am a woman advocate. I am a philanthropist, whereby I come in to defend women that are being abused, women that are being defrauded. I come in to talk about marital issues, relationship issues. I come in to talk about trending issues based on the prophetic and pastoral and the gospel fraternity. I don't come and say, no, I don't do that. I just come in and I do my show. I just come in, I do my show, then I come in and I do the show, and I go my way. One, I'm a mother, I'm a healthcare assistant, I'm a businesswoman, and also I'm a philanthropist. So I have a lot of issues that I get within a day. And I mean, Facebook back. And I mean, said I'm serious because I have serious issues at hand. And a fraud way. And then the first time I mean, that issue. I can't remember. I said last 2 weeks, me the man this picture beto because se obi edu issue. I better me say what fraud na. O numbers are what them I mean. Na my friend number na me nyao. So where do you want me to go and search for you? It is on Facebook. And your Facebook and I meko. And your Facebook so and I meba. Enti no se maame na wono no wonim se ne mpena ne wo wo twempena no wonim se ne mpena ne wo papa we ya wo picture ekuta mi maame na nim se ne mpena no en wonim se ne mpena ye wo no wa fraud no 54,500 euros ena maame ya frɛ me en wo ka kyerɛ me se Ohemaa maame my papa bi asubesi wagye me sika 54,500 euros enti me sra wo modia na bua me papa we Papa we are making a picture today. One know the picture. And eye akwasi usui e de a chate maame bi. say nempena opese maame no ware sa papa yi nti all this one maame no fin say nempena na woye dey wode no woye one no ye dey di nkomo na papa yi say fraud ade na ekoso mini baby amekokọ hwe papa yi ni numbers ni na amafre maame yi susu esugu me so ni sika because papa ne ka che ne say wokofa ne ba ene ne nana no mu free Ghana ba enu nti na sika kese yes akwadi papa yi nchen maame yi tete iti Facebook ene wo se me de to said ye be ya se obi enim papa yi a obe get connected to me na maka che papa yi say papa adanti na maami why ni say ana bia se papa ne innocent a no wa mama hu na maka che abusuafo no abusuafo me the picture ne beto abonten ena me ye post wo ho ena me ata me post to me Facebook wo ebo eye UK time 6:47 ena maami bi fra me ka kire me say wonim eye papa wo ye ama post the picture yi na she believes said this man is innocent. We believe said this man is innocent. And no, and I'm saying, Mammy, and the me baba so camera see me so. Enti me pacho, but what dia catch papa we say, me be interview mammy no, and to 1 minute so. Now I'm explaining to the public and say, we are innocent. Said the bear say papa no confirm the picture, side the call about for fraud or banny be who say a fraud. Yes, the place we can find him is Facebook. Na 90 more than 90 with me. Me catch me or contact me 6:47 about 7 o'clock and I me saw camera see me so I say mommy me patro catch papa he say one bra no be clarify ne who say oni mommy ya wo be kasai oni mo baby ya na obi na use ne picture e de fraud no said e be ya say papa no so sa the picture yi ko fraud oba fofra oba na ni be ya dey e beta honom enna papa yi man tenenka enna me ye program no enna ma clear papa yi ebusuafo ma clear say unim asem yi ho hwe obi na use wo picture e de ayesa na senka manfa wo picture na ama me to Facebook a e be ye den obi ehumi aka kire me say we are innocent. What about say wo picture yi Mike? What about say wo picture yi ye spread it ko WhatsApp ene e ko WhatsApp a e be ye den wo hu nipa a wo de ko to WhatsApp. Eti se nyankopon ya wadom na se nyame afame so e do picture be to Facebook e na wa hu a you just contact me Ohemaa picture no ma me no minim no obi na use me picture into Ohemaa me patro bua me Ohemaa me patro bua me na me ntimi clear me ho nya de emfiri mu na 54,500 de enye sika ketwa na minim ho hwe Michael wo life is at risk. When I'm gone, I'll be to me at time about your boat because when him say, what Jenny Mammy be sika? Ebia Michael, when I'm gone, or be crabby to me, you'll be because when him say what your baby a day, Esika. Me di post back to Facebook, any person like here. Me di post it to Facebook, any person say 34 say and like here. But me be a video I'm a cloud, and nipa almost 15,000 and I have video no. Enti video ni post no de na clear Michael video na no me be ye ya me clear no any wo picture na me post ye na say obi use picture de fraud obi say no de na clear ebusiafo anopai me sore ya mi kwakwa sha ye say eye papa ya ye de ne picture akodi fraud obi no papa akotra to ni Facebook say wo kwa report me Ohemaa ama Asokwa police for papa na kotra to Facebook say wo kwa report me Ohemaa ama Asokwa police for say me no me de ne picture baba to Facebook na matanish ni image until he will never forgive me enunti no wo kwa report me akuagemfu amonu ama Asokwa police for say eye me Ohemaa Jackia me be ye video eno a clear ne say asem na ekoso kra no no maame ne kra no wonim ho hye no wo de me akuagemfu a ekọ Asokwa police station. In fact atiefo me te ye ne bibufu ye enam say wo sister mama good afternoon me patcho na what to say me patcho na what to say erade adum patcho me we na mo so erade adum o mama em say me ye video na mafra wi enra video na ye fa papa ya wo ne picture wo ne na twemp na wa fraud wi anopay me sore ya me call be send the screenshot abere me say papa ya ne picture kura we ya wo fen say wo mpena na wo ne twempena no wa betra to ni Facebook so say me idiot me no on fan che me da na me no wo de me okwa report me ama Asokwa police station say me de number Facebook abegu nanim ase enti no wo okwa report me ama Asokwa police for because ma abegu nanim ase. Intina mame
yo
asema da ho no
yo me da CP yo me so ma dwun kira kakra ne say Mr. Edubopo so wase enye wano ena ya me mpra me ne kasa every blessed day no dia ada na Mr. Edubopo no onyi ne ho adi Mr. Edubopo no ye no bo man ada no nan kasa emba kasa bia mame me ne Edubopo me nim asam no ho hwe Ediya Kwasi Rasta de mami aye Mike Kwabna Edubofo. The date of birth aye 6 March 1963.
Hey, ni di den.
Michael, odi ni nyina mami. Kwasi Rasta ni nyina be me aye me
Papa no so
Mr. Edubofo.
Papa no so your friend Michael.
Kwade bia me ne kasa wodi mami de say Mike Kwabna Edubofo 6 March 1963. Hamburg no tie o ko Ghana ko fa me ba no akromfo no ebobo ni tuo no ena eya ne ba na doctor's son obroni we fa no Igbo Francis
papa
wode ne ko America
so ma we no say papa e wonu o te Ghana o ma Germany da
asam no etisi ama won de o so America be so de minim say na nyampna na yakuru ade bia no me ne kata. That no is Mr. Anama France said before a year audio say what the hospital America. We shall audio no ma one in a bomba and in a casado bri. Mr. Before me pouch so if say Kwasi Rasta what the picture a mommy some in Panano me look at every day. Mr. Before so we didn't say and your ladia, I don't know woman out. I'm like I say, if you are Mamma Cosia, photo now, would you say, I fraud no, me no way. No, Mr. Dupont, Linianum, the Bussian for moon, and the Ebecca Samanadi. Menene Yadre, some said, Pofona out. I'm like I say, Mamma Cosia Sicano, me no mush day. Now be a nipanoa. Or the other by some different to me, the year, Mr. Edubopo, the opposite and when would. It is not Mr. Edubopo or the Kwasi Rasta and the idea because our new Kwasi Rasta no, that's our sister can when you work with it. And then or no sooner than a trim and a beer. Why is our out? No, obey no. Now, our baby do at him. What's it to do him at a man? So, I will be editing at and also will be at the Kwasi Rasta, I also say, Mr. Bofwa, who I have to Kwasi Rasta. I have to Kwasi Rasta, no. What I have to say, Kwasi Rasta, and I actually know sweet master. I saw me, I on the 7th of May. Me on the 7th of May. And I'm getting some more police for. My father, some more police for that. May the authority note to free her. I know me come police for. Enti this is an original home me akosia. Power of attorney na me de koye no. This is an original home me akosia. Say I am Mr. Dubofo. I be fraud me. Why am empna? Big me up. Pastor Rasta and a man me. Me de be anu ka say nyina me say me empna. Was it Rasta say you that I don't know police station on the 8th on the 7th of May. Any achieve na ayaya wada on the 8th of May any amodi no ko Kumasi on the do Kumasi no Mrs. Tanu ASP Juliet Obin ASP into a photo ni chire Kwasi Rasta say manya Kwasi say what the sika 54,000 sika no wusi mu say wusi say I am pa yes so no Kwasi wusi say I am pa no kra no be me fia ha be di Kwasi wusi so be me fia ha be di e ma mistake kra wo no because there was a time papa go forecast woba na sa time a wode ba no na me akohia me time me de kwa adwuma na ben tinta che na busu se ne onye spare key se ne be ya obetumi akotia papa na airport na ode na ben tinta pa pie no na ho enu ene ma me spare equity kwesti rata ho enso de nyina chi no ebuwe oba wa afre ono so a wa ma ema enu so ma hu de kusie demo kwasi rasta on the 8th of May na yedin call and cry see ID quarters no kwasi rasta na nu matam ne say am pasa wonim e oba bia bedidi na mistake kura wono ho na ya France sika na die €1,000 and ono kwasi rasta no na the rest of the money die e mi akotua enya me mpna Mr. Dubofo no ono elema osoma wono kwasi rasta no emanta amia kwasua me fia ha ebeji sika no eno bisa ne say na Mr. Dubofo no minim no ana kwasi rasta si debi eno bisa ne say na why na di me ma Mr. Dubofo kwasi rasta so wono na di me akwasua ema Mr. Dubofo polisi fo no bisa ne say na Mr. Dubofo ifa wasi Mr. Dubofo no owo America na se enye lockdown no a flight bi entu aka Mr. Dubofo no waba Ghana nti o ka kire a police force se Mr. Dubofo ba wode ni beba Mr. Dubofo ni from America ba wode ni beba na €1,000 na ono kwasi rasa se ono de wode tu se €1,000 pe no wode me ka no wode sika no bebre a police force no eye 31st of May no wode sika no beba a police for no bearing on the 8th of May. 8th of May no kwai na kwati usu no. I say nkwamo fa ne nkokuma se enkran de woni mo bia enye saa wo beda hwawu enti wo mo fa ne nkokuma se na om se da bi asam na ha ene free ne be chiru free kuma se enu nti aha ene se se ye de wo ba ena se saa na tie bia ene wo fra wo bi no o ma ho se bia sisi an o wa kra police station enti mine na kwasi rasta friend na obebeli no o se a friend Mr. Frimpong and a baby akwasi rasta on the 8th of May to almost say Monday no Friday no my belly no Monday no ombra report no Monday no kwasi rasta trap for say na say Jennifer e maame wo yare to the hospital into me ama into baba Tuesday Marcos Tuesday no so no Marcos after police for say Marcos the blood pressure echo high Marcos hospital Marcos on to me Marcos me adoma Friday wo beba Marcos hello me patro tie me tie bibi wa ha mate Mame, say, watch lecture nsem we mu ni na say enura no. Okay. Na asama ye pese ye ma wo ti ase ana say video na enura me koye de ekosi ye nyina ne say papa na wo ni di nkomo no. Enye wono ni nipa na wo kura na picture no. Okay. Nipa na ne picture ebedi wo na wo de mame say wa fraud wo no. Say nipa no ye friend Michael Kwabena Amemfios, whatever the name is. But ono or Ghana. Enra krano, no or doom. Me huni pebi krana on me huni pebi and in the war a doom honor. Ain't no for all this one in ano. Man now one in a casana only need dinkomo, so drop for our shiano, one pena one in a trimponano. And young man ya ukran a picture no. Ye akwesi wusuno. One one and or no yede, a dinkomo. But enra no yaba abeclare ama etiefo ni na hu say papa ya ama me ukura na picture say won pena no ni enye wono a na eye akwasi wusu ni mom e na watam ne picture e na odidi sa nyamena sem no enti enra no ye clear papa no but the eda ho ne say anopai me sori ye enem ntimi na ye me sori anopai wa asemi hu ya investigations ana me no me investigations amaye any course me receive it say papa na wo kura na picture no na wusunu wonim sa papa yi
omo ni na omo ye asafo emema. But then no omo di agro for some years say no omo ni agro bi.
Oh, okay.
If I stand to be corrected, if this is the information I had yesterday. Nipa na wo frɛ me no wo say wonim eye Michael ya wo kura na picture yi. And I was sending Kwame Akwasi Rasta ya ukura na picture. Na Akwasi Rasta no wonim eye Mike ya ukura na picture yi. But wonim se no omo te se de na omo te first no. Na Michael di kwa ne maame de sister efua. I'm saying nkrofo kura nim no. Nti ne kura ni na ne se papa ya ukura na picture yi. Papa no ese enye ono a ene ono kasa because papa yi wo kasa wo so o America. And so dear oye papa ne picture kura wi ono o Ghana Kumasi no wo. Nti for all this while he that Akwasi Rasta no we use man where we na downfo no and we dey fraud o.
Okay.
And na mama wanti amabe defend papa yi. But ene no me da ho ananka me expect say nka menya message every papa ya your friend Michael you ho. Now be ka tell me say me nua ba nyame nhira o ene adwuma enra wo ye ma me because e bia me picture yi kura no enra sister bi so sa frɛ me say eye sa picture kura ya so no wo bi so dia ba be chat na ono de o send nipa no 600 euros but o sister bi frɛ me enra say sa picture we ya wo bi dia ba be chat no say ya boni tuo am robesifo aboni tuo no ni di nkomo but all of a sudden wo na papa ne ka kire ne say ya boni tuo am robesifo attack na aboni tuo ntuo pesika de akọ hospital na ofra brochire ba ye no lockdown nti no ni sika ni na a short ema wo no so so send 600 euros ama say nipa no enti meaning say Michael wo picture no it is circulating any medidi nkomo enti se me Ohemaa Jackie se ma ba bonten aba be ye video abe clear wa enka no pay ka me sobe ye Ohemaa Awurade Nyankopon won hyira wo ene wadwuma pa wo ye but papa wai akotro e woni page so edidi matem se mimi ye idiot mimi nim nyansa na me won fa ncheme na me no wode okwakọ report me ama Asokwa police station because ma be posting the picture say we ye froster
Samo
Mami
nani ada na wa ma bonten metie
eti mami asema da ho ne say papa ya ne picture be di ho yi wo so wode me Ohemaa na nka mpese me hu CID na obekwa report case ya ma no yi na nka me so metimi afre wo mo na maka chom say me ne ya be report me but then no scammers are dorsum.
Yeah.
But problem I me wanna say enra will be fresh show ni so. Na show no so no nipa na wo frɛ ye no. Wo make statement say nipa na me ma posting the picture no enye wo no a. Na emom no nipa na ye ono kra no wo wakɔkye no ama asɛm no e wo court. My question here is say me question is say eye den na say nipa no hu say wakwachi eye Akwasi Rasta e de na court afeso so no Michael ya ne picture kura we enye ono a
okay you
it mean say there is a question mark somewhere na eye den na wo bi so frɛ me e ka kire me say Akwasi Rasta yi na downfo any Mike you woni Mike yi enti eba ne say what is going on nanti say wo Michael ne kura no all of these investigations no koso. Hey Michael listen, ye ni say Ghana police for mo nya o madwuma ye o. Enti ye won krofo a ye betimi ama o ma tape ehu secret bi e wa asem ni. Ye ni mo krofo a ya contact wo mo a o mo nya police for but o mo CID. But all this one no ma ba bonten aba be kase enye wa na e ya Akwasi Rasta na yusu a wo didi matem.
There be
what's me idiot? What's me idiot? What's what me go Asokwa police station? Where me bantima na me wo. Kire me Asokwa police station ho no. I see ID kro na wodi case ne koma no. Na me frɛ me so asese ya na me ka che me so ase. Papa bi a ye de ne picture e fraud ma. a man de asem na bra me a me ye video no ma hu se nye papa na ma be clear no papa ne se wa ba report me say me no me de ne picture be to abonten eti so a me pa cho kwa Asokwa police station se sia woni me nua kwaku atweje e a chi ase hene mon kwa Asokwa police station na evidence kura me nie ma me ni number nie mon cheche nsem ni mu a papa me no me no wa na e be che na to mu police station ho
sir
because ye remu a akwasi rasta no woni mu no enti die enti na akwasi rasta no when you so obi a picture na wo mic picture no ba be but all this no me papa me ye peacemaker o but who person ye kono on the dirty grounds I can go to that level with you.
I know correct. Perfect.
So who person me no going into that here I will prove to you say me sorry can your video kwa. And can we sorry and pay you should call me Ohemaa nyame nshraw say eno a wo clear me but me patrol and nya me na mafrode maame no it be yanka ye video na fra me wo so na me be clear me ho you didn't do that but you stood on your platform to tell me Ohemaa Jackie say I am an idiot medium you idiot I am very idiot I accept it perfectly well because if I'm not an idiot I wouldn't have even spare you yesterday. Sankanya say me ye idiot and can run come do juma bia. You think I'm a friend of Ghana police? I feel mad at people and I'm a kumunipa. You think I'm a Ghana police on? Na me met me aba Ghana na me ankasema ko Asokwa police say Asokwa police me patro ya say mo me mini Ohemaa Jackie mini. You don't know me on. You don't know me. I should have done my investigation. Now, where should I investigation? I'm here, you know. I have done my investigation and I have told someone to go and contact the man to come and give me a call. Man, I'm antenna, and with my sensible and knowledgeable mind, I did a video and I cleared the man. How many bloggers will even do this? Officer bloggers, some more time alone. Who can say bloggers some more time? Oma be kwakwe investigations na. Oma be tena bonti abe clear. Whereby a papa no kwa woni mu no. Obani ajin 54,000 fucking damn euros no what? Na me ye video no ko obi a contact me say woni mu wo. Ma panipa na cho say maame me pa cho me ba be ye video. Enti ka kire nipa ne say won frɛ me na me clear no. Mantene nka me am de me nyansa me knowledgeable mind me scholar mind no me de ababo ntia ba be ye video akla na wi a you dare open your mouth to tell me say I should do my investigations. What investigation again do you want me to do? What investigation do you want me to do? Na senya Facebook am de ne picture ne beto a me anas ana baby me undercover baby senya Facebook na me de ne beto na obi ehunu na be ka kire me a where should I go and do my investigation? Because the telephone number I have from my friend one fa Martin, I hear. Telephone number na me one. My friend number is not going. I have 4 numbers. My friend one fa. What I should do my investigations well. What do you mean? Na juma na me here no blogger said e be say juma no. David. Mami me patcho me ma charge wana. What you have a company na what you have simple. Me patcho David. Me patcho David. Me telephone na me de be video mami patcho na to phone mami. Me patcho David. Me na me friend one na say me patcho na friend me. Me na me friend o me patcho picture no me na me the picture ne kire wana say wona the picture ne ma me say me na the picture ne sign o me dey say do for ne kwasi rasta nyina de sign o ade papa na da no ma atumba e me kasa o ma atumba kasa e o wo bi kire say kwasi rasta na so kire nya wo na say so obakasa ansam ne kire o e to bi e kwasi rasta no. Yes, I know. Said we form so ni will so ni will be there. Only until kwasi rasta no. Because I na danfo. So ni pantry we see ni papa ni samsa. Every day for thief mine, one day for the owner. And na kwasi usu no, kwasi rasta. O cap ayama. We are to be a would be a kuta. Nyame be tua o cap for the rest of your life. Kana oba bunu oba basia patia. I have to talk us now with them, no. I already bet you who want that for the rest of your life. Question to or brebe mother brab which the kukushiati. What about 3 years? Pen out their talk. Sarcasm in their question. I would know. 3 years, you had to talk us and buy and come a pop. So 3 years, you had to talk us now and go be a brooch and cocoa. As also the Bumi Pasiadia when Yamio Hatasudi on show Sada. So the mammy or Baby Siamatis. My son and you free. Now bet we have a didn't me too said it.
I'll show you a pony boom. Sana ni nyina na ya wo potential nata ena sana wo bu me kwasia e shaka rade sa Mrs. Afra wa wonu e voice no am ye hu say ya wo kwasi wo wo so da America hospital Mrs. Afra wo e wa France ena wo hu se sana nya wo na wo da America hospital sa wo ni pa na wo da hospital wo na me no tifia ha this would have had to say didi e ti se sa na me kwasi wo number no benya fi na yiri Jennifer ho. She's the right person. I'll be your number. Every ho. If I told you, any day question.
Mame, and Rano, many sister Jennifer doing come.
Me patch you.
Na, sister Jennifer come on. I'm in the DN. I know what do we are kakra.
Now, okay.
Yes, yeah, what do I want to say? Wouldn't him answer, I wouldn't go see you. But then, no, would Usan, and I didn't couldn't inquire back, no correct.
My sister no Jennifer asana mi be hu kwasi wusu me kwasi wusu na kira me say na yire ene sister Jennifer kwasi wusu na kira me ka say on Saturday market na kwasi wusu no kira me say na yire ene na Jennifer na sister na me ka say Jennifer hu mi a ni a oye kira no ni aka sa na me ntime ho ase
say mama tie
sister hu mi a na
mama
oye kira me ntia na da dia na ekoso
Mama tie me. Sister Jennifer ne say. Akwasi wusu yiri Jennifer se de ntia ohun anu oye sa akere woni say. Ya fa edurumre bi na wona anu aduane ma ne kunu nyina.
Point of correction me nu aduane ma ne kunu sister. Atopi. Kwasi wusu nu bacho be tikaka. E kwa me nkla me ho kakra. Me nu aduane fa kwa ma akwasi wusu. Akwasi wusu nu ka kire me say ne yiri Jennifer no wonya miscarriage. Da akwasi wusu fra wo se ne yiri Jennifer. Oya miscarriage enti agena pu clinic enti kwala no so e ofia omunya aduane bi enti metumi aye nkwan kakra ama no a nkwan na me yama no any few asa me ya meke me na me ka kire Jennifer ebra me dia sam kotu na numa na ye didi ye komo no me na me kire ne say da ko pa sra me ma me ye nkwan ma no any few ma no Jennifer kwa ka say wo beto so say wo di still no say na still di e wunya na so Eja bisa sa aduane no me enkwai no eni stu no me ana me kache Jennifer enya kwasi bi su na kache Jennifer na se Jennifer no kote no baabi daabi eya me akosua na me ni di nkomo no me kache ne say there was a time pra me ye enkwai eye stu ma no me so gitum say wo beto so sa wo di no bi sa say no we di de wunya we na kucha ne so obehwem no wadi a ni spa wunyai enti me pa to pi me nya aduane stu akoma Jennifer kunu me nya aduane enso akoma Jennifer kunu me ma pasi so tene ho ase me oba ni bi obi di yam ya enya me de san kwan su ya maya man e once sibium ti se me pa cho pi Jennifer no ka chira no se enkwan na me yama ni kunu sti no ada me akosua me ana chira mu chira no enti pa me cho pi me nya aduane so amre ni kunu me so me oba obi di yam ya enya me de ti me ka chira kwa sti so se we aya first class sister me pa cho.
Okay, the nyamia say wa me pacho afa me the platform no so ma o last word to papa na was so de me kwa Asokwa police station wo didi matem no pacho ka o last word ne kire no wise
yo me that say yo me nua ba ma sa me papa o se me nua ba mo me tro bebre asem na aba no Ohemaa Jakri enye ono de frɛ me enye me akɔso ya na masam abeda Ohemaa Jakri sa obi abume na kwase obi abumi sa wodi ne nua ba ma friend no Mr. Edubofo Mike Kwabena Edubofo on the 6th of March 1963 wodi na mame awo Hamburg asisi anu akodi America sa anroba for bunto mesra obebre mi nyankopon hata soro say Ohemaa Jakri de wontumi enta ake no e ma ne nye yi ni a ese wotake no Mr. Edubofo me pa chopi eni die kwanso ni a ese wotake no eye Kwabena friend say kwase ntu rasta ena ese o attack bi a wo de attack no say de aka say we ni di agro for so many years na sisi ansa we ni agro bi en dia ena na Ohemaa Jakri na se bi akoso obi anim na mo ya ufoni akwase ntu di bre menti ena ma ufoni aba beda abontin enti Mr. Edubofo me pa to bebre and this sister Jakri matter because Jakri de na adwuma na oye adwuma na oye mo na wo boa ye se bi obi de na samba dan no a Ono so edwa asem mu esuko na wo study asem ne sitie entimi sa eduko for me pacho bi wo asem bi ka kwasi su rasta na se wo take no na so ba na chi kwasi su rasta bia ma ya chi kwasi su rasta no say the reason why nti a wo do photo abra me na so me do photo akoma Ohemaa Jackley me pacho bebre mi sa do for me pacho bebre say wo bibia enta sister Ohemaa Jackley wonye wohwe ayaduma no ye kwasi su na sesa wo take no na sa samu de bakwa kwama police for kwasi su na sa wo me yakwache no esa so na do photo ma me ni wo for past 3 years am no di nkomo nyina se mkuru no ni wo wo so ni me enti pupia so wa down for tips no ana de sa problem nyina ba it me pacho bebre wonni Ohemaa Jackley ibni ni take bia wo asem bia ana sa wo take bia kwati su rasta ana me say do for me pauto e sa wo take no e ho na be hu no kura na ewo mu ti sa wan take kwasi ntire esa asam mudi enti brabante na baka de ewu nim na yesu yehu de esa se ye ida sipi
yo mame erade enhira wo se
no enhira wo so mame
also odi aba bonten na waba be clear ewo hu na me ye sure se papa no ne o tie me ana say ne nkrofo bi etie Mr. Michael, I didn't tarnish your image and I don't tarnish people's image. Like how people used to tarnish, like how you are tarnishing my image on your platform, insulting me, saying all sort of words against my name or Ohemaa Jackley, no. But then, no, I was here yesterday to even clear your name, even though I posted your video, no, and the man Crawford no, I get connected to me. Because I come and post two video now, come in ya obia, wonimu and I say, obia or ben, na okra who say BBC air coso. Menya and mammy, you know. I do picture ajo musika mami we 54,000 the other person is 600 yenim obi a oka ho yenim obi a oka ho yenim obi a oka ho enti papa mingu animu aseda na emmom no enra me de me platform aba be clear o enti anope wo sore ye no you should thank me but if you want to have a fight with me me no nko ntokwa o but maame na ono anya ni issue no ono ha no obedele because me meti me baby ena me maame no ena obi ebu ne kwasea ena ode abrɛ me ena adwuma na me bɛyɛ ye no soso me bae ma medi watem ma mesew kwasea ma mesew aboa ɛyɛ wo picture no obi di nam se ne mpana no ena nso so enye saa ena me hu nyansa na me hu se enye wo no me twe camera see me so no me defend o enti on your page no saa de na watra to page no I am giving you just 24 hours to just go and delete it and just go and write so Ohemaa thank you but if aside all that and so me try Asokwa police for telephone call Asokwa police for no I need them to call me. My telephone number is 0044 777 my telephone number na me born from Asokwa police for send me telephone number is 0044 777 527 3218 me din Jacqueline Ohemaa Jackley obi anim me catch Asokwa police ni na ade asem do kwa man say maame Ohemaa Jackley say ohia omo telephone ye report ni wia me pacho frɛ na omo frɛ me na me sumi no omo eni nkomo me fra ntomago ti papa me nia pipiragoro
sir
me fra ntomago because asem bia bɛkɔ me be so asem ni mu a omo nim se me de ne betra kɔ wiase afa ne ni na obi abehu no kura wo mu nti no ne ya ase ne ya baba be attack me because wo baba be attack me a Ohemaa Jackley to gospel enti me ma bonten e ma be reply but this time around if you come outside and you tarnish my image you won't meet in court. I'm telling you this on our authority. Say me no majuma na me I have evidences on what I'm doing. It is if you want to sit on your platform to insult me, to deform my name, to use certain words against me, we shall meet in court. And I am yes a lockdown on them. Me I don't mind coming to Ghana watching a me Ghana ba me insuro Ghana ba o. Me meti me aba Ghana me de me ho akoma Asokwa police for. Sa Asokwa sir CID Ohemaa Jackley ni me na papa bia ba case ama me no ntimi nie. What you say? And media blogger bia baba bontia baba di matem against this issue we no. Papa we will be dirty. Trust me. Mommy, we last word to bloggers for so bia mo so baba bontia baba di atema na say pacho obi bi ka almost yetio.
Yo. Me dasi. Yo me brothers for me pa mo nyina cha mo nua mo maame mo sister ma de nyina me pamo nyina acho se asam na aba no esroma obi endi obi atem amoto se obi di bibi ba bonten a obi sole kwa amfana tam embeda obi ananso amfana sam beda Ohemaa japi ese ni nyina adwuma na ye na afenso ye nyina no ye pie nti na bibini a eya na ye de beto abonten na ye kyerɛkyerɛ ho adwen na ma obi nso afa asem no mu aba de asua nyansa ana wo de atunu hofo nti me pamotro pi brothers for no ma obia endidi Ohemaa japi atsam me pamotro so adwuma na oye nti se bibi etotwa munua no adwuma na munyina mo ye mutime frɛ no bi a off air kra de bi a se mistake bi na wo ha na wa clear na mo sa wo befa saa Mr. Dubofo eyisusu na wo de akodi na tam de Mr. mo fa nchame that's
nyame sha wa me akos nyame nka ho why nti e be sa ka se chire why yo am penny for say dwumadie no say ma me frɛ ya na me fa nto so na you issue no if I told me cause why me ka say nation blogger GH1 mo like it. Yeah if I told our life
I'm no life. Oh, thank you.
yeah mama no
about for me my will be
yeah just
Mama course why are the that say ababonte ababe clear and near man nkofo ati asie me patro mo am was to me hu say bi mo tro say adenti na one na anye video call any ade yes say no kre one na anye video call enye obia na sebe owo sa idea no of enese technology abebe wiase enye obia na ewo sa idea no obi oho awo obi oho awoni so ati ase ye ma me onye obi a oye social media person entine nyama bebre wo ho no ma onim enye se obi ti abrochiri entino na owo idea and answer knowledge about certain things moma yem masa de na enwo ho abrantie no ajawusu no oto ne bo ase everyday mama course ohun se mama course oye ignorant ohun se mama course oye vulnerable entina obo modin a oye nye de edikan nie eye suban a oye no eye niema onam a wodi na brebia na damfo ne picture na ofaye no mo na mo se say woni na di agoro for how many years but so ni ni agoro biem ba pictures ne se wo hwa ba ko ewu mu no enye de dada pictures a recent picture
recent
enipa de grebe wo wiase nyina no akwasi rasta enye obi a picture ankofa ese Michael picture ofaye o de bai adamfo ni na di agoro twem eye dan na oheda kofa ne picture ese wo de kwa kodi frodo obi oma yen hwa de na da ho ni yie maame no na numbers bi o hwa itumi frɛ free Ghana so numbers for the bible ntin nyina no na numbers no bebre frɛ free Ghana enye number ba akopɛ no mo use ya no mo ne kasa enso na ye the same voice na nipa ne be frɛ ne Ghana ne kasa ya na no si ya pɛ na eja wususu gina ne do wa no maame no onim technology mo ebia me kan nipa kona frɛ ne free Ghana no na eja wusu online so but maame no hu oni ne kasa wie ye no ni nyina na apply ni bibia no onim say na fraudsters scammers ni omo ye no na Michael baby a wo bia me patro tie ni ye Ohemaa Jackie she's not at fault tie ni ye pa wo mo de wo te ne baby o ye na adwuma ena obi aba no de na sama bre no maame nye so de asam ne ba ya no so camera no asem we me ka ho bi ye discuss over it ahwehwem na eko ye nyina no Michael ni ohusu na nkasa yere Ohemaa ne di nkomo enye so ofiti ya no betena abonten nti me pamocho wo tia tie ni ye enye because say Ohemaa Jackie edin da abonten Ohemaa Jackie say ofiti prekope ma abonten me ye video before she will come out no she will do her investigation very well ehun se baby amigina no me na si years for abonten aba be ye video in this a mic who issue Omodia so be akɔhwehwɛ akwasi rasta na fa no ekɔ court because one no way you so ne o picture e dey defraud obi the main person a wo say e was wo che no e ya akwasi rasta onipa wo say wudidi na tam e ya akwasi rasta court na kɔhwehwɛ no so wo yo obi na ka wunua ba nie ene mama court ene obi di ni nyansa afa kwan we say so agini
3 years
ye na e bufu kura wom e ye nura na otumi mama mi chi nkototo wa mama mi adane pharmacist straight away and so call pharmaceutical school bia
there be
onye pharmaceutical assistant but e bedru baby na mama mi adane sa and now me nya accident edura mi hia na esi enya bi nto na mama mi nam no ochi mpedru ni bito okoto wia no ade abese no ni na oje de yeden na ye business a wo mu twa o ganta ho inti so wo problem na wo issue a me pa twa address issue no to nipa na fan ho not because say there is a dent on the name Ohemaa Jackie and inti no you want to pick on her no so wa ye no wa anye ni ya nka me ba be condemn say ade no ye no wa anye ni ye but then wa ye adwuma no ne kwan so pepepe and my young tenase and my de biarada mun take advantage of innocent women and my be brain na mudidi wo mu de bia mu je wo 1000 mu je wo 2000 mu fufa kwan so na mudi buma because munim say wo be go through age bia why desperate say sebe ope companion mesremu ema no yenya desperation for companionship nemre no so a nsabeka enye sa ablebia kwan sei na scammers yo mbefa so mo beye enye we nkwan na
yeah
yes
unim one funny thing so unsa police fo no koche akwasi rasta no akwasi rasta ka kire police fo no say wono no de sika no €1,000 pe no wadi na de aka ni na no eye Michael we or insist say eye Michael we na de aka yi won ho
ni ho se sa na akwasi rasta na ka
yes
nti wo Michael se wo se wo hunimu a na onimu bibia eye den na police fo no che wo no still akwasi rasta insist say sika oji ye nyina no wo de ma wo
enti wo ko na so ko hwe na chiri kwan ko wonim no nti woni na di agroda woni ba bi ote sika ko hwe na chiri kwan na fa police che no
and na ye ka kra no pe nyina no makan ebiem na me say studio wa bonti ase de enti amasa asem na ono akwasi rasta kan ye no mi nyintum a emfa me ho so odi sika ne ma Michael no because ye ni evidence bi e for the sika ne ma Michael
thank you no na asema
but then ono akwasi rasta de we have an evidence sika wo de mama course
won enti na ono ne ya attack no
enti na wono na assembly nyina ejira no so no because wono na no ye intermediate no now ye nim say ya mpampo say Michael Krampo no onim anything about this issue a ye nim so say bia ne picture ba abonti a wo
according to Michael no was wonim ho hwe wonim bibia wonim hwe we innocent
into ono onim ho hwe into they say no the main person no why no the imposter no why na akwasi
rasta
it's akwasi rasta na bebia wo bia no was a Michael no man ni break to clear his name send his name no say was so ko chase akwasi rasta no ma emra any ni die de ben adwuma because you didn't your baby na obi adi fraud ni say ya nke be ne da na one fan who took say ni mama cause you didn't your baby a nke be ye ne de wo be de hu say bi kra wo picture e kra no what de aye niam bebre kra wo wi ase
kra you know ba for fresh what they just €600 no
yes e bi kra fe kra na more kra be ba
thank you because recent pictures
me ne wo kra e kasa sisi e me hu say obi frame me pa because na di pa kono so e tro other comments bi wo platform no so nipa ne fra na frame wo inbox no so yes enti na de na ya de nipa no ye enti no me no I will plead with Michael say dear oye no onyai because one dear root to baby likewise me say me baby na so be the assembly me na me kokọ ye mu investigation na me hunu say assembly no kura nie ma me no so bae no what the statement what the niema church na bra no ma usika ni nyina aye clear ye no yire so adi nkomo it's in a walk and se se obibia esi wo so akwasi rasa baby wo biara wadi bone na wo tu mo kosoro ba fam wo benya ho akete
ye beche no nyame so betua nka
wo biara
ebia ne se no ya tracking na ye hu baby na onam o Santa's run about ni na
Santa's straight away
ne hu ye yesere
into no to boss na CCTV esi wo so se yaka se wo bia ye bu ne kwase bia no e wo se to atwa because e ma brewa brochire 4,500 euro for say iska ketwa
say
say
ya ne ba wo Ghana ne ba ne nana o e no so okofo ma ba we na akọ wie ni say yo
what the adwempa e na yes wo de yes ade no and me grand platform you so asanka Thomas Italy Thomas Ochre Italy sie na tie ni ye but modia so de ma me 5,000 e be kwa
akoma no Thomas,
how many 5,000 the command?
Thomas, Italy. Thomas. Thomas, look what they was here goggles in the tour.
And to would see from my many 5,000.
Thomas,
and Sana Ababe yet bloody. And you too much. Moon take advantage of innocent women. Mashe who said, Sabita Fracha, man, what Germany, no, Sabiota Fracho, woman young for more social media. To wish to take no matter that what is so much, no matter what could do woman, no to be an amoko. I don't know more far. What Toby? We see social media so 24/7. It's winning. Me free one, so one with them no kind. Now, days are made them out, so. Me san ka chire wo biem
bra Thomas
from America 5,000 esa komano
uni bia chiane kakran
ya bre the money su omo bre Ghana for ma e bre wa brochire oye overtime akese onya time kwa fama ne ma na owi a wo di nyansa kwan fa me ba bre me o metumi aye connection no o bibia me na no kwa makofa ni pe bia ba o me di hwan aba wa kan de wo di give evidence na tire ni bana ama me no so agi atu no ahwe nyam ye ni maka 5,000 hwehwehwehwe magu nsem okoya kebashi gbene sani ye no
hey what do you dear me obi say it is time for us to talk to obi say it's time for us to talk to women to wake up.
We've been talking to the women and not dear mommy. We've been advocating say mama ye ni na ho na
sikano well see a church mutiefo say wanje ni bumo say
yes
one na twempana 3 years e wo phone so ena woje kakra ena wokache ne se ne nana ene ne ba wo Ghana obetimi de o maba nti eno no sika na eso nti woje 2,000 3,000 1,000 ye to aduro ye say sa na ojaji sika no so oje ye oduru 1,000 na na so oduru 10,000 I don't won stop se wo hu se eni ambre no what kind of life is this? Nana ka say. What the 5? What is this? Mama. Who was ka say man? Okay, 5 what 2 what is 3 I try 10,000. That was the man sir. Are. Who dey abusian for? Yeah.
Jabi tio. Mama cash. Tie, mama no wa ho. O so wa trust papa no. Se ba me no mama papa no wonim ne yire ni anim no ono o ma na ti di su do fo bia wa eti no ti di ye no se wo tuatua ne kakra you are talking about euro and you are ne de waje connection ma waje e bia ne so obi so o ye aduma home office ara waje 12,000 waje 12,000 rade nyame ade no omo reading crofo I was saying, Miss Ramomini animal mano. I have time I was a ma, you go up, you wake here. Yeah, my ye now. Because 54,000 and you joke. And you joke. Me, who be your guma, I mean, any do as say you, or be granny. Nay, I would do it. Now, didn't create co school. Now, co school. Now, Koya Juma. Now, the America. Now, Raha. Nobody knows a paso. But just cack. Nami Chiauka. Nami Chiauka. Yeah, me to me. I me pe wo dia no kra na age.
Eh, Rade.
Me pe wo mo ba be.
Utie ma course kasa or yes soft on pekasa we
The woman is very soft. Ohemaa. On say ye ne ma me ne kasa ye ma me catch it straight away. Say ma me no I mean yeah.
Papa nya metua ne ka.
Omo to papa no eja wusu no akwesi rasta a very wicked man. Wadi bone. Kwesi rasta etiri mo odin. Ni tiri mo odin pa. On say na on person dey yire no kra ene mama coast. Ebenya contact. Won wa some o ka kire mama coast fa ne yire ho.
E fa ne yire ho say ne yire ne kire no say de dey ya.
Say ne yire no. Enti no no so kwa yo ba no. Wodi tu mu se asoma be ma ne ka ne ye no kre.
No kre.
So nti afa obehu oba na pe no. No amu na. No atwam no okọ.
On so nka bibia ntire no.
Onka bibia ntire no. Nti no ne ade problem e ba ho no. Mesra mo we eya bisuade ne ye nyina ye sua. De asie no asie wie. Eye hu bibia enye yie. De be ya ne se akwasi rasta cars 3 na ade call Ghana no.
My baako.
Bobodi akopon. Na fama me ni sika ma no. Na asem bi afa na asem nko. Na momu no wuti baabi na sa wo so yusu wa adwene adibu o baabi a kebulu sesei entisa first no. First no na social media ni ho. First no na technology anywhere see o na limited to nipa kakra bi but say there obi a obi
you can run you cannot hide
shoemaker okra telephone or access to social media and say we ye bibia no aye careful because one hwe here we ya wo bewie na ade beche no na wo bibia no egu social media so na no esiria na nya afa na nipa no asam na besi ni so no ba be attack no because we dey enya jackie na ko fetch wo picture e de ba abonten this is the picture akwasi rasta no e de mama coats proving said wo when you do before and I'm panto for when ne kasa ayenso from Ghana nipa kro na obegina honom na wo no eye do before no de bia no ofre ma mi free Ghana ene ni di nkomo de bia ofre no ene ni di nkomo no wa chire no sika we hia de wo so okoye na owayi kwasi rasta no enso aba wo aba be gi sika no ebi kro wo ofre kwampa ye 3-way call akua won say mi ridi bibia hu sika wotu se na kwasi rasta na nkasa na ye call no ofre nipa na wo Ghana no na wa frɛ maami ba maami nam se wonni mu ni ntiti no ohun so bi gina line no so na bi ono nkasa kwasi rasta na nkasa na ye kasa no adubofo no was whoever it is that the adubofo na enya adubofo na eye Michael ni kra abo no ebi kra no no de bibia kra no ogina ho no no ogina chire keke
ono ana ne kasa ye se ne yire ni tie voice no ne yire ni se ni kuna
eye planting wa twone bo ase ene wa plane ye ka say obi so te baabi all ye the same thing social baby how did na adwene sa ebu o baby
social media
nti ma no yesra mu se yate ye beka ho asem kese enti wo so ba na wo tie bi se ya no wa share because e bia bi obi o hodo ma wo ma Facebook so wo hu nti wo ti ne bi se ya fa ko WhatsApp so na wo nua bi ana ma ame bi ti baby a wate because single mothers do so abuchiri bebre so aye desperate or prebe ma tena nchen because the society am here say we do certain age bi na wo nware ye be man kan ho a let us say wo sa wo ba no we ye complete
we ni subai
the same society no and am na basa as for the kra wo kokra no tru ha na ye point ye nsa e wo so enu ti na ma abese ma bibire trim say without a man no me nya de ben me chese me nya complete and if I need a validation I will say me nya oba ma bi ansana no unhia yam fasadi we nhye yitrim aware eye bonus wo wa ye de nyankopon do ba wi asese be ye ni nyina ahwie no no de abo aware no aka wo but so ko ye desperate say wo ko pe a ena ma ne basa na ma mefo ne mpapafo mu na mo ka ho na bebre ma sa de we sesi Worry mammy yo, now then I worry yo, now worry mammy yo, now then I worry yo, and me now worry, now worry ya, now worry ya, now worry ya. A can't be, and I'm a deal with say coso. Munyai mubano. No one to mubwase. No finding itself, no establishing ya. Nyanko pondi warrior no, ebeba be mano. Na masa ebuo bebrebe ni kwase ebuo yi no etu atwa ewe society mu na de be ya o se ye ka se nyina maami wo kwa adwuma o 3 o'clock o kwa na adwuma 3 o'clock maami pe
enwumre sabo 8 ana o sa akobi mu
o kwa adwuma o kwa aba aha o kwa bebe fie 8
8 okay
eye 3 to 8
wow she I was away
kasa 54 ye da ho a menya sure say nka wiawia we Mammy best for the so of a said to my ding. What part of Padia have a rest and was somewhere we are dear. Now, mammy be more, now you are there be more. Carbe and a son. I could see Rasta. What you bonnet? On by one say, well to me and see. Baby, I wish you be on. Me say, ye bet show. Man, your wife didn't say, why escape from police for Nsemsem? Obesan could be. Until so the chairman minister can a man and son our home talk.
I'm sure.
What do me say there a two a chat and no any man yes sign your eyes. My Jackie, well done. What boy, why are they?
I'm sure.
Me bow up a so. That man we are why are they? God bless you.
I'm sure. You always have 4. I'm say, Naminia call you actually, my friend. Na me fa no to so yenua no ma ne ye ma me fo ye besere mo ase de ye sister Franklin abaso obeka ye yo ma me ba cho ye tie o me do fo be
Pacho, good afternoon, Pacho.
afternoon
The chair of phone na
ye jo so ma me
Pacho mpesa me kasa kakra
ba cho ye tie wa
me pa adofo nyina acho se me pacho ana yang puti blame bebre ewo ye ma me akosi so because it can happen to anybody be konkra na ya enye ni kan me pa macho we all make mistakes but macho and ya puti blame bebre ewo ne so na akakwa bi ma metimi aka so say Brother Michael, ye panacho, any dim on concoy pictures, say in seminar, our church, whatever, no concoy free because this thing has to stop. So, Bianca Bibia or HNR with social media, any problem, but Ohemaa just in Quabec and Adrian, a problem. I will say you didn't attend. I will say I can't send Bia, I will say I can be at the tune, ye panacho, any demo. On konko yi picture no anase ensem no chochoro no info na on konko tie video na we enjoy no back na on brebi because I am not sure say we tie video no be a friend born na mane no dey yesa it's ye panacho on konko tie video no on brebi anything madam was
na kwasi rasta no so
kwasi rasta dey see na social this is my show, Mr. Maybe I made nutrition by Yabba.
Also,
my surprise, it's the deal will be a some dream all friend, I mean, on I am fat. At the end of baby, I said, yeah, they better. And our one police for non reporting on 1 to is can mamma, but saying I've been so bad to me, say, dear. Going to me, see, na social media, they see you. They see.
Yo, Nyamisha.
Amen.
Nyamisha, bye. Okay, so Betty. Yes. You better catch it. You better catch it. Sunday, my name was social media. This time, many abre. This time, they didn't try to bomb young past and Yaman Bano. Remember, you didn't trust the Muku. I want to know. No. Somewhere, stop cry. Mom, need the atom, Nana, dear me by a mono. Someone many said, yes, ya bria. Some, a sembia, one so be a cabby and yabone. A good and farm have a cabby, and you know what trouble. Some to go by a wall run out to 1 hour to an man. Sanka wouldn't Yansa. The other Kauya say. Because social media, why no be who about man say, as some say they are told so. Cause out to baby, I won't do it. Make us a new crowd, Europe won't be that. No, be a photo. Anything your mama say. Now, to me, transfer the church on myself when you're not down I want to go see everything at the tea. Sadly, most of our stop. I cry him and tell you, meaning yet. Seven, your ball and your mammy and son. You need a dear to boil a good to me, the mother was a boil. Make can't run. My dear, Missing Cassandra, I can't be a for. Meaning, dear, tell me, sir. Miss Yamia, Tiasi. Women judge a woman, I won't judge a woman. Then I got for near fast with dear, and any dear social media, and the mom of Fanny Papa. Everybody yard have a most full gun of 1 point. I want to get the atom. I can't say moon. Most of us are mano. May get a penalty, and didn't tell. Bible said, what I know now, how I saw so. May come on to my social media now. One money, I tell on him, turn a more young son, and my man. What they are winning. And this side, no me, I will make it because me, a friend, Mumiakola. May catch Ramo. Most of us most of the top grab.
Na me me na me nim de tia se wo no obi dia go na nipa ne na aka wa na akofa na busu ni na
na me ba so ye bi na se ba won to patch o na nto se me adi before me nim nyansa me pra so mudwie
me de hu nye no
me sra mo munja da mo kaka no na so ta bu tene o de wo mani abre miss Chese and then my quiet say me fear for it now, me push your for it now, Facebook, I kasa. But I think some in calls and stuff, and I'm not gonna pick anybody. But Mr. Michael, we'll say within me Asokwa police station. I think say Ebiana agro, Ebiana agro na wudidi. Ebiana agro na wudidi say what the may you never forgive me. Share, wouldn't baby I'm free. I don't know what down. Say, oh, you never forgive me. I don't remember what the Rosso and I saw a quack of bomb you and I have a quack of day. I won't take only me on. Now, me or be a Timmy Kumio. Papa, nobody. I just a muku, Yami Kunkuno, Yami Ja, and Yamioba, and son of my baby Kume. Yes, to the Mukuno, but once I saw sorry, Timusa Kukuni the second time. She, as me a gospel artist, you know, as some banner say, or him Jack, maybe Massa me Bushiano, or me crazy, but me no social media na media grow on me person me involve me Bushi any be social media. And nothing I say who di matem and family mamma infra, and family papa infra, and family nuanu will be amfra. And for my bush, any be for about the obedi matem because me na mabedi agro, me na me pa fie kubo, me na me pen na for some, and I'm abedi agro social media. But then no, say mabedi agro social media, kwana say me nka asem bone a enya say ubeya so person oni me nya asem. Now this time around, no me the gospel artist ni beto nche, me meti me jai nyum to. I'm telling you because nobody fits me you. And you mama try you be the boy am you. And you na ne kra you na why na corona abeya obi a hye dem yi. Me muntimi nyame hye mame nkɔ kama no aduro no mu wo gone were the days whereby obi kama asema na me nsu na me num ka kire na what to say Calvin na what to say na me di awerɛho na me pese me kumi ho kra free wi ase no me ntena sema obi mema me ba me ye janka wo because of social media nti Mintimi ma social media agro dia me bedi enti no wo bi ma me wu me besu me dia werɛho na me nya me ba wo ho no wo come ya me do nyame e ba be kan obi I'm telling you enu nti na me no my focus enu nti na me de me page no ma pe obi a o handle me page this time enti me ba bonti a na me be ye me show na me call ba wonni akora ma ye me show awie now person we ya now find the fault e wo me show ne ho abra me nka asem bone abra me ni obi atem no wallahi me do nyame ka me yam sekan e be ye bloody me fa gospel ne to nchen me metime jai gospel to one nobody pays me Bishop papa no na wo ka no as obi a software ni abetena ho ni edi software na tem sa obi a gospel artist ni edi na tem sa hey it has to stop ye di watem ni edi wabusuafo ni na tem enso me ka bia maame ne na so hesu waja maame na nti papa na ba be di obi maame atem all because of say nipa no social media
all because of say Ohemaa Jackie na be kan asem wo de oba di matem Ohemaa Jackie kwase aba Ohemaa Jackie jimi Ohemaa Jackie ashawoni Ohemaa Jackie de wo de di matem but say wo be di me papa atem me nua no this time around no gospel ni yanto yeni na obi ahefie this time around yeni na obi ahefie yenko program me jai gospel to kra na me ye adwuma me ko adwuma ba me sa de me nsa fa nuoma me sa ton me tu nuoma me wie video we ya me koda kakra bi me sa sori ko adwuma ko ye 12 hours na masaba enye corona ya ba nka me tete play mu me ko fa me nuoma na me ton na me koba enti no se me jai gospel ne to na I have something to eat me wo de metimi adi me wa adwuma makọ school me wo certificate enti no menye brother me hojuo na emo me buade me mfa ho ne recordings ni ho ahwan a ene de yo me sa no ma no it doesn't tickle me enti papa wo ma be ye me show a me didi watem na otimi de me koto na nkrofo video na say oh that Ohemaa Jackie there that foolish girl that stupid girl she will see what we will do to her go and report her to the police hey me police now you can police kura me zero no Italy police kura me ko school Italy asem we ko mama me ko bubro ni bi me ni madam fu Congo ni gebi me ni madam fu Congo ye boga na kasa ye bone tete na tare ni na eno kra Italy police ni ba ye omuni na di America gidi abse mi America wo be didi matem fra me monkey ntina mabo no me say my just say uba social media na be di matem me be me hye ubia me no mu gamu me ka bibia me de way yes di atam kwase me manu atepa o but me no nya asem a me ntimi me di watam se de me pe ntimi me ntimi be me no be hye bia ye be ko be me no be hye bia ye be ko be hye bia me di kanka se mo fa me gospel no nto nchen trust me because e kam ye koye se obi abeka asem a okay Ohemaa Jackie nkwa ba se me nim se me platform ne suninti se empanimfo ne nyansafo tie me no se me nim because the more you people are hating me, the more people are loving me. Huh? Se gota da ho na so obi akọ jina gota no ho no adwunso ku gata ni mu dia okay but Ohemaa Jackie nkwa akokoto so wono so kwadwunso bia ade no Ohemaa Jackie no abadwunso agu anom ade menye nipa na ade menye nipa enti so obi dwunso baabi nipa be 10 akwadwunso ho me kwa me so dwunso de me so me kwa akwadwunso ho bia Ohemaa Jackie de enwo so dwunso ho no because menye nipa obi aju obi sika 54,500 euros ma babo antia baba ye video no papa ne kra ma be clear no what was say wo de me call Asokwa police station so fa wo jimi etina wo fi honum kurase ne ya wo jimi ya wonim nyansa wo de fake account ebe didi obi atem on the program asese wo nsura fa real account bra wo fu sa nche na mo ate abofunu jimifo wo ba obi program ase na be didi atem wo nsuro mi a fa real account bra be didi matem fa real account bra ne be didi matem foolish boy mutu wana manam trotron nsem fun ne nkwase asem sa na nipa ye di na nipa ehwe mo sa mo ka se nipa ye jimifo on I waste my time at now. Save you, be my say. Now we have a transfer. Me kwa report to ama Asokwa police station. Now me baba be can. Now u to fake account echi. Maybe me real account oh. Me ni fake account. Me account Ohemaa Jackie me use since 2008 till now. What you say? Obi video na maba asem munim asem anipa na kakora no na maji nipa na anu asibone na mo pese mudi nipa na tem saa. Ade de no watan ade ma to ma ade na magim buibi magim buibi ana na me na me sinkrofo medi machi ana nyame favor wo so asa ade tie o David mfa woni nkrofo dodo a David okun wo ne bone a David yes so still na Nyankopon ani wo David ho enti me no mu po obi ablemu na mu ko blemu Nyankopon wo nyame mu po obi ablemu na mu ko blemu nya me this time no me dwe me ho me mbeka obi no obi abeka me but then wo come here se me do fa mara kwan so na anya possible bebia me hia obi am no mu gamu bebe me hye obi am no beko me obu me afan me so me boa na obi ade ne de ko ne fie me prawo na me come fie I'm telling you because you too much enkofo sheda mu su because omu ni kasama fo bia no me de me hie obi kasama kasa bia me metimi abeka ma asem me to no ma no ye mpam ye Basa asem sinema mbeka na mayedi na mayedi na mayedi ya na enchese me jimi asem ba no bi beka bia no problem Ohema nko akoka bia mu pese mu ya na mu fine for wo wapa we akota na wo de me kwa Asokwa police station wo nya sabi emfreni manfo bi susu gu ase na mo comment Accra Regional Police Station kura mi so na Asokwa police station Accra Regional Police Station kura mi so Kumasi de kura headquarters kura mi so na Asokwa ko bantima ko busa ko bantima on na busa se wo pa chiase hini fie na yemu ye kire busa se hwan ya chiase hina na ne friend ami de mfu ano me ye de metu me menya brother am hojo sa o masa wo kumasi me se me dru Ghana me akasa me ko Asokwa police station me ko ka tro me se me na ye se me report ho no no intima ba no mo fa handcuff ngumi sa I'm ready for them my video na ba be damase no wo me threaten me oh you don't threaten me shit wo ba be threaten me akuye jemfo amu don't ever do that again next time and trot sa ansem no kura say you will never forgive me she na wo na wo de bone che wo ni bone dodo amaye tie nyankopon enso still na be da so tie ase me no nsuo me da na wo bo me dua na so de me kon fa how dare you hey Mommy, please, with much respect, let me thank you once again for the favor you did to me some months ago. I really appreciate and I'm grateful. If it wasn't the money you gave me, like I didn't know where I would be, but oh, sorry, God bless you all, and we shall meet once again. Bye.